Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove and clean turbocharger on Jaguar X-Type 2.2 diesel. This should have another screw at the back, my one is missing. Now you have to remove those 4 bolts that hold the catalytic converter. Those 4 bolts are a pain to take out. I did manage to remove 2 of them and the other 2 broke off, so make sure you have a set of gasket and bolts before you start. Now we are under the car, so to have access at the manifold we need to take that out. Probably we'll pull it out through here, so to do that we have to disconnect this pipe, take out this hose clamp, the top hose clamp at the turbo there, also it's got a bolt right here, and just pull it out. Once we create space by taking this pipe out, then we have to unbolt this, the other side, plus those two, and the oxygen sensor at the top. This is what is left here. You have to disconnect the oil lines from turbocharger, unbolt the EGR cooler and manifold bolts. Now you have to unscrew 8 bolts from the manifold. You might not be able to fit a 13mm socket on some bolts. In this case you have to use E8 Torx. As I mentioned before, some bolts might break and you want to have a set of them so you can replace. Most of the time everything looks easy on YouTube, that's why I try to keep my videos as raw as possible so I can show you some problems too. Here is a better view of what you have to do. 8 bolts on manifold, EGR cooler, where I broke both bolts, DPF and the 2 oil lines. Tap the manifold gently, be careful not to break it. And take out the turbocharger. That looks good, it doesn't have any play. For cleaning the turbo and manifold, I'll use oven cleaner and a brush. Oven cleaner is a good degreaser and I know it's up for this job without causing any harm. Agitate with brush and rinse it with water. Once you are satisfied with the result, you can fit it back on the car. Make sure you align turbo valves properly. Obviously you have to change the bolts and gaskets. And very important, before you connect the oil lines, you need to prime the turbo. Use a syringe to pump some engine oil inside the turbocharger. That being said, thanks for watching and I'll see you later.